Hey everyone, I would love your help. I bet if you're like most Scrum Masters and Agile coaches or 21st century leaders of any sort, that it's hard for you to know exactly what your value is. So when you ask the question like, what did I deliver? Or what did I contribute? It might be hard to detect it. And if you can't detect it for yourself, how in the world how do we expect other people to be able to understand the value we deliver? So, in about a month, I'm going to give a session at a conference called Detecting Your Value. And I would love to invite you to join me in helping me see what's true for people now with this practice that I used to use when I was working with Agile teams day to day. And so, if you want to try on this practice, I would love for you to maybe you get some value out of it. I certainly hope so. And I would love for you to share what happens, what you learn about the practice itself, what you learn about the value you deliver, and what you learn about how you can use the information you collect to maybe help other people see your value. So maybe that we can get out of the constant question of like, well, what is the value of a Scrum Master or an Agile coach? So here's the practice, and it's on page 283 of the Coaching Agile Teams book, and it's in a section called Claim Your Victories. And the practice is simply this, that you just make a list. Every day you come to maybe a journal or maybe you have a little note in some tool and you just write the sentence, the value I delivered, dot, dot, dot. And then each day you just make some notes. It's like, what value did you deliver today? What value did you specifically deliver? And things I used to write down are things like, I helped the product owner get in sync with the sponsor. She didn't see that she was giving the team a direction separate from the vision. So that's something that you might think of, oh, well, of course I do stuff like that. But you might not think that that's valuable until you start writing it down. So will you join me? Will some of you at least try this practice and then post on LinkedIn or send me a direct message in LinkedIn and just tell me what you learn? I would love to use your fresh insights when I suggest to other people that they try this practice. Okay, I hope you join me.